Slightly. We'll keep the altitude low.
The head is crazy.
Next one.
Oh, careful of your head. Hey. I don't know any injuries in here, do we?
I'm scared, that's right.
So, keep it here in front by your feet. Yeah. We'll use that to steer on the ground, but I'll do that bit.
We will. How nervous are you?
Yeah?
Nervous?
Yeah, I'm really nervous.
He's going to be fine, man.
You're right.
He's going to be fine.
Got a little bit.
Yeah.
You can be one that flies to Japan next year.
Nah.
Yeah. Here we go. You're flying, my friend. You're in the air. Good job. So put that stick back. My guy, we're on the ground. We're on the ground. Good job. Good job. We're on the ground. Everyone's safe. You've done it.
Amazing.
My guy, great stuff, man.
You're actually pilots, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
we don't swear these.
We bought this this morning.
Very special.
I was just checking.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Alright. I'm nervous. Julie, get out my. Give me a backseat driver then. I'm sweating.
Well, this is your speed that you're going at, and these are your altimeters, isn't it?
There's a game on here.
How cool's that?
Woo!
No spec at the moment.
We didn't land.
Excuse me,
It's going to help you a little bit with the pitch altitude. That's not your fault. It's just the simulator does this thing. And then keep the aircraft coming down so you keep it pitching down. That's you. You're on.
I'm on and I'm off.
You're on. That's it.
Everyone claps when you land and you think, shut up. Wait, that was so hard. Isn't it? You made that look so easy.
Well, who's going first?
Whatever you want. You can go first. Yeah, you go first.
Right, so you can set yourself into position there. So watch your head, watch your legs. Okay, right. Ever flown anything before?
No.
Games?
Not really, no.
No, neither did I. Okay, and the visuals are real, so you know, looks like a real thing. Okay.
But do you get nervous for flights, or is it just like?
I hope not. Can you imagine that if the pilot got nervous?
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
Do you get nervous before a game?
A bit.
So you should.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Come on, Bot.
Right. Right. These are the first things. Rotate. That's it.
Nice.
Wheels going up. So remember what I said about horizon below? Don't let it disappear. Put the wings level. And then just pull them out.
Feel safe.
Yeah,
for now, yeah. So what you're trying to do?
He's our keeper, so he has to be safe.
Logic.
Yeah.
So that's the A23. Can you see the? Whereabouts do you live?
Hove.
Right. Okay. Well, that's just over here. You can head towards it if you like. You'll see your house.
I might as well.
Go on then. Aim for it.
Right?
Yep.
Take a little detour, why not? Say my house is somewhere here on the little.
Don't want to be going too low. Just lift the nose up a little bit.
Do you clap for the landing?
Just a little
Yeah,
bit. A little bit more.
Only for him though.
A little bit more. That's it. Hold it there. You're nailing it. Right. Nose down again. Because all we did was quite close, isn't it? It's all that's doing is controlling the rudder on the back of the fin of the aircraft.
Hey, where's my applause, passengers?
And it has a.
Nice, Bot. Nice,
Yeah.
We landed.
So
You're a bit sick now.
So when you retire, can you do that?
I would be a
You go
co-pilot.
flying.
You'd have a good time,
Yeah,
that's for sure.
Can't be difficult, can it? Hey, if I can do it, anybody can do it.
Hey, to be fair.
Do you need some light?
Dude, trust me, it's nice.
Hey, yeah. Right, you ready?
Yep.
All right.
Seatbelts, please. Come on, T.
You don't need any buttons to impersonate those, unfortunately. No guns. Lower nose slightly. We'll keep the altitude low.
Nice, T.
Are you
Lovely flight.
two guys good mates?
We are.
Right. Well, me and my mates, we never compliment each other. We always just, we
But
do
I want
the
his confidence. I
maximum
want his
harm.
confidence to be high when he's flying my plane. You know?
Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah, just
Right.
this.
See that? Reduce the thrust to idle, so you pull the thrust levers all the way back. There's the stadium. You can aim straight forward if you like.
Class D.
That group.
Watch the lights though, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna go a bit up. It's not bad though.
Who's there flying?
This guy's in the wrong job, by the way.
We've lost the
I don't know if you've noticed.
Hey, watch. Hey,
He's got it.
you have everything under control. Really?
He's got it. He's got it.
I would never go on a plane with you.
Oh, I got one.
So, do an approach.
I want to see an approach. And not only the easy things like flying, everyone can fly.
I'll take the aircraft for a second.
lot of training.
Nervous.
A lot of training hours.
The head is crazy.
You need a bigger hat. There's bigger hats around. That thing's stuck on the side of the runway.
So
That's
still
what we're now
okay.
using to land.
It's still okay now. No.
No,
It can't work.
No, but I mean, it's it's not bad. No, we would never be able to land.
T, can you announce we're landing, please?
Right, so
20, 10, 10,
floats a little bit, but you're coming down.
10.
Smooth landing, no problems.
Yeah.
Yes, dude.
Everything's under control, don't worry.
And now you have to reduce the speed, though.
You get 2 landings for the price of 1. A 3.
Oh, you did a little bounce there.
That's a little one.
Counter movement.
Make sure everybody's up.
And now you have to stop, or?
How was that?
Love it, T.
You nailed it. You were good at that. You were good.
Thank you.
I was very impressed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I was scared. I can't let.
He was good. He was good. Yeah.
No,
I'm
it
not
was good.
profiling the two of you against each other, but that was it was good.
Whoa.
You have the. He has the.
already did
Hang on,
it.
he's a lot bigger than me, and you
Was-
were ace. You were way better than him.
Say that again, please. He didn't get it. Say it again one more time.
I did experience. I did
I
good
think
teacher.
his job is more with the hands, His
Yeah.
job is more with the hands. So
Yeah,
if he wouldn't be
exactly,
better
yeah.
than Tarek.
Yeah.
I
Well,
would-
that's
what's the
the
problem?
maybe he needs
I
to
would
stick
think
him.
about
Maybe he needs to stick him in goal for a bit. See,
That's not option.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Georginio. Nice to meet you.
Very good, and you?
Got there in the end, yeah?
Yeah,
It was worth it.
it was good. Yesterday was a bit
Long?
intense, yeah, long,
Day.
but today is fine.
Today's the nice day. Yesterday was the
Yeah.
other bit.
10.5.
Okay, try. Take the inside. Take the inside out, gives you extra half.
Look a bit like Seagulls.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's media day.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show.
Wow.
See a little bit.
She was 8 and she didn't know she'd be a professional goalkeeper.
We're here.
Look at here.
We are spot on time.
Recreate this sound.
The best one of the day.
Big weekends means big games.
Perfect.
English language so hard.
Right, you got it. I have a seagull celebration.
Put your arms out. How far you come out? Okay, brilliant. Right, I'll tell you.
Hello.
New tattoos?
Yeah, this is new.
What is it?
Angel.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this is for my sister, my brothers.
I love that. Okay, next one.
Was it good? Come on, surely not. It wasn't it. This is slow computer.
It's harder
You need a new Mac. You need a new Mac.
Right, should we do that one more time?
Okay.
Happy to do that again?
Sure. Hey, were you
No,
here?
wow.
Again. Every time I'm doing a celebration, you're there.
What else?
My full name or just my
Yeah,
first
full name, yeah.
Okay. Guro Bergsvan.
Brilliant. We're done. Thank you very much.
Nailed it.
Smashed it.
Guro Bergsvan.
You don't get it.
Cameraman.
If you could relive any moment, what would it be? Probably be the little girl running around on the pitch, growing up and just aspiring to have all of these dreams that I live today.
That's a great answer.
Oh,
thank you. I can be cute
innocent.
sometimes.
You know when you smile for so long that you're like, has my smile changed now? Because I'm holding it and I'm like, do I look like psychotic?
It's still this good. I start twitching. Like,
So, I love it. Right.
Ah, mate, the big chant. I love the chanter. He gets the chant from me.
You were singing it to me, no?
There's nobody better than Jumbo Banega.
Thoughts, JP?
Yeah, I think it's incredible.
Is that the first time you've heard it?
No,
Yeah.
no, my brother sent it to me. He said, "Look, you have now a new song." So I was listening to it, and Crofty was singing it for me. He said, "Like, you have a new song, QPR way." Everyone was like, I heard my name every time, so I was like, "What's going on?" And then they said, "You have a new song," but I think it's really good.
Do you agree with the lyrics?
I'm not sure I'm better than Cannavaro
What about best looking Dutchman?
in the team. Think so, yeah. Hopefully.
You get my vote, yeah.
Alright, that's good.
He can be really aggressive on his inside, because hopefully rolling the traffic. He presses, watch Jeremy Mullen's position. He's on the correct side because he knows it wants to go back there, and they will spin that as well. They've done it a lot where he goes short, he goes in behind.
I thought she was winding me up because I thought she was like, she went feature over that.
Johnson.
That's nice to see you back here.
Oh, there it is.
Doing a little twist on the diagonal, and then on the way back we're a bit shorter, a bit sharp.
Starting with the last slide of the meeting. What does tonight mean for you? What do you want from tonight? Okay, whatever that is, think hard about it. The next question is, what are we willing to do? How hard are you willing to work? How much are you willing to run, okay, to get what you want from tonight? Because if we're going to get anything tonight, it's going to have to be together. All right? All of the time. How you win the first second ball, the first challenge. How you react to the first time you lose the ball and you counter press. 3 of you, 4 of you, 5 of you. And you keep going, okay, until the final whistle blows. Right? Now, in terms of how we're going to play, we want to dominate the ball, no doubt about it. But all the stuff that Gary spoke around, they're key tonight. Get a clean sheet tonight, we'll win the game. Because you'll do what you do. You'll play in the style of what it means to wear that shirt. But first and foremost, the best version of you has to enter the pitch tonight. Okay? Good, bad, ugly, however the game looks at any given moment, we just think about reacting well. And you're relentless in your work. If we're going to win, we're going to do it together. Good luck, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen,
vision of the beautiful game that we have doesn't always pan out. And you have to suffer together, okay, and then you have to find a way. And it's important as young players that you feel that. Because I think sometimes we have, this need and want for the game to be possession dominant, okay, and that it's all going to go how we want it to go, and the game doesn't do that, and certainly men don't allow you to do that, and you have to earn the right. And sometimes it takes a long period in the game before the game settles, and until the game settles, okay, you're constantly competing, all right, to fight for the right to gain control. And for us tonight, I don't think either team really gained control for large periods of the game. But did we look dangerous on transition? Yeah. Okay. When I look at the benefit of the game and why this competition is so important to us, is because I look on the pitch and I see young, talented players. Well done. Okay. Well done.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, we have won a prize.
We have.
Because you didn't want it.
And is it you or is it the team?
No, it's you. Alright guys, we make a short picture. So, these players who think they're pretty in the first row, the others in the second row. Wait. Where's
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Perfect. No, it's not for me. Performance of the week. I didn't make the performance of the week.
Bruna, is that right? You've been at Barcelona since the age of 11?
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about your early part of your career so far.
Yeah, I've been playing in Barcelona for 10 years. La Masia, it's like my home, and it helped to me to grow up as a person and also as a football player. So now I think it's time to try something else, and that's why I'm here.
Yeah, you're coming to England for your first experience of the WSL.
Mm-hmm.
What's attracted you to England and to Brighton?
Brighton is a big club, and of course the league is so competitive, so attractive, and I want to feel what it feels like playing here, and also with the fans.
And Vicky Losada, of course, she's at Brighton from Barcelona. Have you spoken to her yet?
Yeah.
What did she tell you?
Yeah, she told me that here I'm gonna be so good. The people treat me so good, and she's right. And the city is amazing. The facilities it's amazing, and she's right about all of that. And I think she's happy to me for being here, and I am also so happy to meet her again.
And you've already had a tour of the city with Bruno, a Brighton legend. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, Gerard, my agent, played in the past with him in a football team, and they are really good friends. So yeah, last night we go dinner, and he bring us a tour for a city to show some places, and
Seaside?
It's really nice.
You like it?
Yeah, I really like it. I want to see it with sun, if it's possible, because yesterday it's about night and I don't watch too much things, but yeah, it's really nice.
And now you're going to Seville to meet everyone at the training camp.
Yeah, I'm really excited about that, to meet the team, the coach, and start this season.
We've got 2 items in these positions, so I need all good.
How are you doing, sorry? Come on, you. Yeah, okay. Oh, and you just knocked me out as well.
There'll be a holiday otherwise. You okay? Very good.
And some people that they do.
Yeah. I was just no.
Big section.
So,